Tired of uncomfortable VR sessions because of worn-out foam padding? The Hyperkin faux leather foam guard replacements for HTC Vive offer a simple way to restore comfort and cleanliness to your headset. These foam guards are designed to fit right onto your Vive's existing hook and loop strip, making installation a breeze. What sets these replacements apart is their soft foam padding, which cushions your face even during long gaming marathons. Unlike the original foam inserts, which can get soggy and unpleasant after sweat builds up, Hyperkin's guards use faux leather material that wipes clean effortlessly. That means no more lingering dirt or grime after hours of use. One satisfied user pointed out how much better these guards are compared to the stock foam, especially for those who sweat a lot during VR play. While they mentioned the guards were slightly wider than expected, a minor tweak fixed the fit perfectly. Considering their affordable price, this small adjustment is well worth the upgrade. If you're looking for a quick, cost-effective way to refresh your HTC Vive's comfort and hygiene, these foam guards deliver exactly that. They keep your headset feeling fresh and comfortable, session after session. Plus, the easy attachment means you won't waste time fumbling with complicated replacements. Worth a look if you want to extend the life of your Vive and enjoy a more pleasant VR experience. The Hyperkin faux leather foam guards combine durability, comfort, and easy cleaning in one neat package. They're an ideal choice for anyone who spends hours immersed in virtual worlds and needs their gear to keep up. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your VR comfort without breaking the bank. These foam guards make a noticeable difference in how your Vive feels against your skin and how easy it is to keep clean. Make comfort a reality in your virtual world with Hyperkin's thoughtful design. Don't settle for the original foam inserts that wear out quickly and soak up sweat. Swap them out for Hyperkin's faux leather foam guards and enjoy a cleaner, softer, and more comfortable fit every time you put on your HTC Vive headset.